In the heart of our cities, schools stand as pillars of learning. But what if the schools could do more than teach? What if they could actively fight climate change and improve the very air we breathe? At Carbelim, we turn this vision into reality. Introducing Carbelim's biomimetic microalgae technology, a groundbreaking solution where we could convert our schools into mini forests. Our biomimetic facades captures carbon dioxide, filters harmful pollutants like PM 2.5 and produces oxygen, enhancing the air quality right where it is needed the most. But we didn't stop here. Our technology empowers students to actively take part in real-world sustainability efforts. As part of a hands-on program, students manage the process of converting captured carbon into omega-3 oil using microalgae. This creates student-led, self-sustaining model which not only combats climate change but also generates revenue for the school. By actively engaging the students, we are creating the next generation of environmental leaders. They are learning the science behind carbon capture, pollution filtration and sustainable business practices, all while making a tangible difference in their communities. Through this initiative, we are not just addressing today's pollution problems. We are also building foundations for a greener, more sustainable future. A future where schools are not just part of active learning, but also contributors to a healthier planet. Join us in transforming our schools into a mini forest. Together, we can create a space where education meets action.